Hey everyone, so Lemon8 is quickly becoming the go-to lifestyle platform, and yes, you can make real money with it in 2025, whether you are into fashion, wellness, beauty or travel. And here's how you to monetize your Lemon8 account step by step. So first of all, you have to build a niche profile. Start by choosing a focused niche like skincare, fitness routines or aesthetic travel tips. Post consistently with high quality visuals and write engaging captions. Lemonade rewards creators who keep things helpful, authentic, and visual. You can join the creator program. Lemonade has a built-in creator rewards program. Once you hit their follower and engagement threshold, you can get invited to monetize your post directly through bonuses, just like TikTok Creator Fund or YouTube Shorts Fund. And you can also do some brand collaborations and earn money from that. You can also do affiliate marketing, like promote products you love using trackable links. Platforms like LTK, like to know.it or Amazon Associates work well with Lemon8's visual format. Just make sure to disclose partnerships, and you can use user-friendly hashtags and keywords in every post, and that's a quick bonus tip. And keep your Lemonade bio optimized with your niche plus contact info. You can cross post to TikTok or Pinterest to grow faster. And Lemonade is still growing, which means early creators have the advantage. Build your audience now, and you could turn your post and serious passive income in 2025. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.